These are the Super Beets Beetroot capsules here. 180 capsules in this package right here. This is one serving size right here. You could see 3 little capsules. Very easy to swallow. Very happy with these. I'm a repeat buyer of this brand here. I've been taking Super Beets for quite a while. I initially started off in the 90 capsule bottle, and after I've been taking it, I just switched to the 180, just more convenient to pick up the one with the higher amount in there. These things are great. Like when you look at the ingredients here, it's got the beetroot powder in here and the grapeseed extract. So if you're looking to boost nitric oxide, and like it says here, healthy blood circulation support, this is a really great supplement. I'm very happy with these. I take these 1 or 2 servings per day, 1 in the morning, definitely, sometimes 1 at night, and just absolutely really like this stuff. Tried some other ones. Super Beets is definitely the best one I found out there. Has a lot of positive reviews online and just a lot of good information about this company. These, again, are the capsules here. I like the capsule form because I like staying away from the gummies. They got a lot of added sugar and ingredients in there, and these are so small, very easy to swallow here. And then the beetroot powder, I like the capsules again because I could bring these with on the go. You don't have to be tied down to bringing powder with you. Or, like I said, the gummies, you're getting the sugar and all the extra additives. These are just right straight to the point. Just the beetroot powder and the grapeseed extract. So if you're looking to get nitric oxide boost, you absolutely want to check out the Super Beets. Highly recommend the 180 capsule bottle.